Hey guys, Scott Miller Marine here. We got our own personal boat in. It's a 23 Bay Ranger. We already ripped out the rub rail and we're replacing it with a mate rub rail. We've done a lot of these. We're gonna show you how easy these are. It comes with a track. This goes on first, and then up front we have the insert that actually lays on top of this. We got it baking out in the sun, so it's easier for us to mold it on here. So we're gonna start on the back transom here. Start putting them screws in, and then we got our heat gun that will heat and mold it for these ends and these curves and all that. Do all this. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below. But we're gonna show you the whole process on doing this. So. Go. Give me that drill. We're going to take our heat gun. My assistant.
Yourself again? No. How are you not food?
Alright, now it's time for the insert. So here's the insert. This is the channel. Usually when you do it, I like it a little more flexible. It's not as hot out right now and the sun's not out, it's kind of going down, so you just open it up. Here what I do is I took a little bit of Yamaha shield, a little lubricant, and sprayed it on here because I can't do what I want to do. I'm hopefully going to slide it in to pass this because I don't want to take this off. So I'm going to open it up a little bit, get it on the track, and hopefully just slide it down past that. we go. Got in there. And you just kind of just roll it in place. You open it up. This is going to take you less time than what the track cost or took you to do. You just walk it on. Like I said, if this thing was heated up, it would be going a lot easier. And once you get it past all your curves, it goes really easy. Now we sleep in different rooms. Like I said, guys, this has not been sitting out in the sun, so it's a little more difficult to work with. If it sits out in the sun for like 45 minutes to an hour just to get a little baked, it folds on really easy. I'm having a hard time because it's cold. Well, it's really nice with this rub rail. If you are new to boating and like to hit the dock or hit things, you mess up the rub rail, this insert pulls off real easily and it's very easy to repair. I've done it for customers. I've had older rub rails on here like this. A lot of manufacturers are starting to use this, so especially if it's white, I don't recommend white because the white gets moldy and everything. So we've pulled the white ones off and replaced them with a black insert. Different angles, I guess. So guys, we're all done. Rub rail came out nice. Took some Yamaha shield, shined her up. If you got any scuffs or anything, Yamaha shield works pretty good. Any kind of like a silicone based spray lubricant, or just any kind of acetone. But check it out. Looks good. I've also seen that this rub rail does hide a lot of other stuff. A lot of you notice, you can see we want to get these things cracked or fixed on ours, but unfortunately we bought this boat used. These cracks all here, I talked to my glass guy that I have in-house. If we fix them, they're just going to come back, so it's not worth fixing them. So actually the rub rail hid a lot of the imperfections on it. So it came out nice. Like I said, it's easy to install. The hardest part is actually putting the track on, but then laying the insert on is nothing. Guys, you guys could do it if you're a home mechanic, whatever, you guys could definitely do this. So if you guys want us to get the rub rail, click and subscribe, put us a comment, and we can hook you up, shipping, or whatever you guys want. So